Hi, Shriji Clinic brings you yet another Tuesday tip by Dr. Bhumita Makwana, your dietitian and cosmetic clinician. This is part 1 of series of how to break the cycle of cold and cough and treat it yourself. Can you correlate with this story of cough? One person in your family catches cold. Once it enters in your family, this cold and cough stays in your house for many weeks. From that person, turns by turn, everyone in the family gets cough and cold. In today's time, there are more people who are aware of the drawback of taking too many allopathic medicines for a very long period of time. For very common diseases like common cold, the mothers especially are concerned to give these allopathic medicines for their small kids, as we have seen that these small kids become victim of cold and cough very quickly and too frequently. At the same time, more and more people are now becoming aware of the fact that there are some alternative ways which you can try before opting for taking those allopathic medicines. The first thing that comes to your mind as home remedy for cold and cough is ginger. It may be fresh ginger or dried ginger, also known as salt. My grandmother used to use it. My mother used to use it. My mother-in-law is using it. I am using it. Hopefully, my future daughter-in-law will also use it. Ginger or salt is an excellent remedy for cough and cold, beyond any doubt. The good news is sometimes ginger works, the bad news is sometimes ginger does not work. Why is it so that sometimes ginger works and sometimes it does not? You should understand the symptoms first. Once you understand the symptoms, you will know which herb to use. Why do we cough? Your cough is your body's attempt to remove the uncommon substances from your lungs like mucus or other irritants, and you also cough due to dryness or irritation. Routinely we call it a dry cough. So, first of all we must know which type of cough we are dealing with. If you are not aware of type of cough, chances are that you may be using wrong type of herbal medicine, and then instead of curing your disease, you may be suppressing your disease. You should know that there are three type of cough, that is dry cough, productive cough, unproductive cough. How to know if you have a dry cough? It is continuous spasmodic cough without any mucus. You lie down to sleep at night and you start coughing and then you can't stop. There is no mucus and it can keep you awake for a whole night. How to cure your dry cough? You should address this in two different ways. First, address your dry tissue state by moistening the dry tissue. Second, stop your coughing. Which herb to use for dry cough? Demulcent is a medicine that soothes your sore throat, addresses the dryness and irritation. Here are well-known ginger that a soot won't help. On the contrary, it will increase the irritation in your throat. So, what should you use instead? Use marshmallow, that is demulcent. Use marshmallow root tea during the day. Next is antispasmodic that relaxes your coughing reflex. Use California poppy. That's all for today. Next week we will discuss about how to know if you have productive cough or non-productive cough and how to cure them. You must know what is your limitation. So, we will discuss when you must stop self-medicating and see your doctor for your cough and cold. So, now onwards, you know that you should not use ginger if you have dry cough. That's all for today. See you next Tuesday with another Tuesday tip. Till then, take care.